this is C.Builders, the C part here, and I would like to show you my mock Lego vending machine. As you can tell, this is basically figure scale. Sometimes it can be a little hard for them to get the money in, but yeah. Anyway, this holds up to 5 sodas and has a coin slot right here. And to operate it, all you gotta do is pull back this bar and push it forward. So, let's get started on the building. Alright guys, so here are the pieces you are going to need for the first segment. By using a 4x4 plate, and then let's grab a 2x2 tile, put it right in the middle, and now let's grab 2 1x2 plates, put one on the front and one on the back. Then we need 4 1x2 bricks. Place them along the sides where we haven't placed anything yet. Now we need a 1x2 brick with a hole in it. Put it on the back here. And now we need our 2x2 plate, and we can put that on here. Now we need our 3 Technic pieces. Grab the 2 largest and stick them together like so. Then in like so. And now, while holding this here, we'll put the smallest one on the back. Next step, we need a 2x1 tile. And then we'll push this forward. And we have a perfect fit. Make sure everything's in working order. And something's getting caught, so take off this piece for a moment. Squish it down right. Put it back on. Now it's nice and smooth. Now we need a bunch more 1x2 bricks. And we will put them in like so. Next, we need a 2x2 slope. Put it here. And now we need a 1x4 brick and a 1x2 plate. Put that on the bottom and put it right here. And you can turn it sideways. Grab 2 1x2 bricks, put them here and here. Now finally, 2 1x1s here and here. And the last step is a 1x2 plate right here. And if you have this lined up correctly, this should be an already working vending machine. There we go. That's the first segment. Alright, so these are the pieces you're going to need for the next section. Now that we have our base module done, we are going to move on and start making the coin slot. So first we're going to start with a 1x2 plate. Put it right in the middle of this blue brick here. And then we'll get a 1x4 plate, put it on top of the one we just put there. And now we need a 1x1, put it on the left side. And now we need one of these 1x2 minifigure arm slot pieces. Put it right here. And finally, a little 1x1 slope right here. And now, let's get 2 1x2 bricks. Put one here and one here. And then we need 2 more 1x2 bricks, spin it around, put them on the back here. And you see there's 2 slots, so we get these 1x1 bricks, fill those in, and now we spin it around again. We'll get a 2x2 plate, put it on top of our little coin slot. Now we'll get 4 more of these 1x2 bricks. Oh, and they will be placed like so. Now we'll spin it around. Take this 1x2 tile, put it here. Take this 1x4 plate, put it right here, and take these 1x2 tiles, put them here and here, and then finally these 2 1x2 tiles, spin it around, put it here and here. And the very last step, this 4x4 plate. And that is it. Now we make the sodas and grab the money. So now we have a working Lego vending machine, but we need sodas. So we'll just take a 1x1 round piece and a 1x1 stud. You stick them together, and that's your soda. You can make 5 of those, and then just start sticking them in the back. I know as a fact that with this vending machine, it can get jammed, although it's not too often. Although if the jamming isn't happening from the bottles turning sideways, all you have to do is just lightly adjust it and keep just like moving the bricks around slightly until it works perfectly, which is what I have done. As you can see. And then your Lego guy just needs a little money.